I'm John Bombeck, engineering tech teacher at Westside High School. The technology that got installed in our lab here is unbelievably awesome as a teaching tool. We have 4 big monitors throughout the entire lab. Being able to play those things really big is a huge teaching tool, especially being how tiny the weld pool is, trying to get a group of students, let alone even just one, close enough to see what's going on is really tough. So we also have a weld watch camera that will be connected with the equipment that can zoom right in, high definition, and we could record a student actually welding and then play it back in slow motion, 50 times larger on the big monitor. There's also an awesome JBL system that has been put on. And then in terms of Nebraska Furniture Mart, with putting in the monitors and the sound system was just an absolute delight. It was a real breath of fresh air working with Nebraska Furniture Mart. They were on time, they're professional, in and out installation, very quick, and instruction on how to operate the equipment as well was top notch. I've not had service like that, I don't think, ever.